Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates. How to follow your favorite topics on Twitter. Log into your Twitter account if you are not already logged in. Click on the More tab in the left sidebar. Click on the Settings and Support from the pop-up menu. Now click on the Settings and Privacy from the drop-down menu. Under Settings section, click on Privacy and Safety. Under Your Twitter Activity section, click on Content You See. Click on Topics. On this page, you can see all the topics that you follow on Twitter. Now scroll down to the bottom of the page. You can find a section called Suggested Topics. Click on More Topics link. To follow a topic, click the plus icon next to it. After following your favorite topics, go back to the previous page. Click on the topic you are interested in. You can see all the trending tweets related to this topic. This is how you can follow your favorite topics on Twitter. Thank you for watching.